if I'm going to just work with exercises, I'm just going to do this chromatic thing, like I do this thing all the time. With a clean tone. It's okay. That's all it is, right? I just go up and down the neck with that particular idea. You know this flat 5 thing that I do a lot, like it's like a half diminished round.
Okay.
And I basically sequence the idea into, you know, I basically move it through, you know, octaves.
Right.
You know, this is kind of a simple kind of sounds like a diminished idea, you know. So you know. A lot of times people see my finger there and they think that you know that I'm you know, pulling off on all of the strings.
Yeah.
But I'm using really a lot of hammer weight, you know, a lot of being able to play, you know, the arpeggios with one hand.
Slow one of those down first.
Yeah. And this basically taps whatever note you want.
Yeah.
You want it to be an octave or to be flat?
Sure.
Or the octave lower? Yeah, I like to think in terms of you know, intervals,
right,
and harmony.
Yeah.
When I like to play like a Gibbs harmony.
Yeah.
And for instance, like if I was playing in the key of A minor, I really like to think in terms of A minor. I like to influence like sevens,
right,
like a C major 7 over the A minor chord.
Over the A minor, right.
Yeah, and that helps me a lot with having the C, E, G, and B. And think of it in terms of C major 7,
yeah,
and then an arpeggio, and I can move it through different octaves, you know. Some days cleaner than others.
And when you're holding the pick there.
Yeah, I'm picking with at the same time sometimes.
Yeah.
And sometimes just raking it. It's a little sneaky.
Yeah.
A lot of little tricks.
Yeah.
That would be A major.
Yeah.
C sharp, E, A, C sharp. But I also play the C sharp here.
Yeah.
So it's 2 C sharps, you know?
Yeah.
It gets like a smooth transition.
Just kind of.
And to concentrate with some of the picking ideas, I've talked about them like for years. Is I like to take like maybe 3 or 4 5 notes. And just move it down chromatically, a warm-up pattern, you know? With no real tonality in mind, just... I'll have to do this for a while to get warmed up.
Yeah.
And I can get a smooth, round sound. I think I'm pretty much, you know,
Yeah,
in
yeah.
the ballpark for what I'm trying to do. That's how I play minor scales or any of the scales, you know. I always slide on the whole, the first tone, you know, which would be, you know, A to B would be a whole staff.
Right,
And
yeah.
I slide one finger over,
Yeah.
so that I end up moving, you know, across the linear wise.
So you show stuff.
Instead of I hardly ever play scales, I think, in a pattern like that. Bye.